Hello viewers, today we are going to find a solution where you can remove all of your edges from Lumion's imported model. Let's say we have a model here in SketchUp and we will import it in our Lumion. I am using Lumion Pro 2024, but this will work on almost every version of Lumion. Okay, let's go to download and click import. Now let's say you made a mistake and turn on the import edges or lines of your model. Let's just do that. Give it a time to import your model in your Lumion. So we have our model here, which is imported. Let's drop it and the orientation is different. Pretty good spot. Let's lower down the landscape a little here. We have our model right here. Now let's say you change some of the materials. Let's go to blanks, this one, and change the brick a little. Let's search for let's make it red, not red, little red. Yeah. Let's say we made these changes in our model, and when we go to render, it shows all the edges that are present in your SketchUp model. Here you can see the edges from your Lumion model are visible in your. Here you can see the edges from our SketchUp model is visible here, but we don't want to do that, and we don't have any other option to remove it, from settings or our imported model functions. So what we can do, Lumion have implemented a quick settings in your material editor. Let's just go to the material editor. When you try to click on the edges or hover your mouse pointer, you will see a function that says edge material. Click on it and turn it off. There you go. This is the quickest solution Lumion provides. Now let's go to our render view. And we don't have the edge option in your renders right now. So with this solution, you can use your Lumion material editor to remove all of the edges from your Lumion model. Or you can do is re-upload in a new project, in new file. That way you will have the option to turn off the import edges function.